Y'all stand back, guys.
Here they come.
They're hauling it.
Go green back there, go green back there, go.
I wish I could just grab onto it and let them pull.
You'll get your turn, buddy.
It would be worth it. Like after these times. I'm gonna give you a chance. Or I'm gonna pick one. I'm gonna crawl to the top, alright? Let's do it. Grab me the country now.